Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will demonstrate how to use a voice changer during phone calls on your iPhone. Whether you are having fun with friends or need privacy, this guide has got you covered, so let's get started. There are several apps on the App Store that let you change your voice in real time during a call. So here's two popular ones to change your voice. The first one is Magic Call, this one, and the second one is Voice Changer in Call. This one, Voice Changer in Call. This one. So now let me explain how to use this app. Download and install the app from the App Store. Open the app and follow setup instructions. Allow call access and permissions. Make sure you call directly from the app. Select the voice effect you want during the call. You can also use an external voice changing device. Devices like the Roland Go Mixer Pro or similar. Connect to your phone via lightning port or headphone jack. Allow real-time voice modulation. Often include a mix of echo, pitch, and robotic effects. These are they're great for creators, prank calls, or fun live streams. You can also use voice over IP, VoIP apps like Skype, Google Voice, Zoom, WhatsApp, etc. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.